Stopping power is amazing. Corner grip is also amazing. And starting from a stop, the tires don't spin at all. Like it's just very planted and it's very predictable. It almost feels as if you're driving in the dry on these tires because that's just how good they are. Compared to the stock Yokohama summer tires that came on this car, these are just miles better, and I can confidently say that because the Yokohamas in the wet would understeer if I was really pushing it. And so far with these Michelins, that hasn't been the case. Like it's very planted, like I said, and confidence inspiring. Braking is amazing. Like if someone were to jump out at me like right there when I was going like 30 miles an hour, it would be no problem stopping because you know the sipes on the tires tread water really well, and it just digs into the road. And it's absolutely incredible. I hear also the Pilot Sport 4S's, which are the summer version of these, also do really well in the wet. Driving on this road earlier, and there's a big puddle somewhere that when I drove through at a higher rate of speed, and I did start to feel it a little bit like sliding. You can see it up here, all these cars splashing. I don't think I'm gonna try to avoid it if I can. Yeah, there was standing water there. If the rain keeps up, which I don't think it will, it might start flooding this area. But other than in like an inch or two of standing water, performance has been great. Like this braking right now is incredible. Like I wasn't even applying that hard of brake pressure. And my previous car was the Honda Civic Si. 10th generation of it, and the tires that came on those were the Goodyear Eagle Sport tires. The one that I had was the base version, so it wasn't the summer version, it was the all-season version. And those are okay, you know, in inclement weather. And I'm not even talking about all-wheel drive versus front-wheel drive. I'm just talking about, you know, wet performance and performance as a whole. I had those tires the entire ownership. I've had that car, and you know, there were nothing really to write home about. I thought they were sufficient for a daily driven car, but having experienced these Michelin Pilot Sport 4s, can't compare it to the Continental version because I've never owned the Continental version, but comparing it to the Goodyear